At Hyosung TNS, our mission has always been to enhance lives. We create not just technology, but craft experiences that connect people and the world. We power the convenience of everyday life, and are now taking a bold leap forward by seamlessly bridging the physical and virtual worlds to create deeper value and purpose. Our story began in 1979 with the establishment of Hyosung's computer division, which would eventually lead to our growth as a global technology innovator. This milestone marked the introduction of financial terminals, revolutionizing the way people engaged with banking. Over decades of technological innovation, we have unlocked new possibilities for people across the globe. Today, Hyosung has established itself as a leader in the global ATM market, achieving significant growth and gaining the trust of customers worldwide.
As we expand our presence in the global market, our company, Hyosung TNS, has a very bright future ahead of it. Hyosung TNS aims to redefine the roles of ATM and financial technology, particularly by leveraging the development of customer-centric solutions.
At Hyosung, we're not just adapting to change, we're driving it. By creating experiences that seamlessly connect people with technology, we bridge the physical and virtual worlds, adding greater value to everyday life. Fueled by our passion for innovation and unmatched expertise, Hyosung designs, develops, and produces every product in-house, guaranteeing the highest quality at every stage. With advanced research capabilities and efficient production processes, we take complete responsibility for delivering seamless operational services. Having delivered around 1 million financial automation solutions to customers across more than 50 countries, we have firmly established ourselves as a global leader. Hyosung is reshaping lives by connecting people with financial solutions and driving innovation forward. At Hyosung, we've already produced countless meaningful experiences in people's lives. Now, we're stepping into a new realm, one unlike anything anyone has encountered before. Through our digital banking solutions, people can manage their finances from anywhere, while banks are transforming from basic financial centers into hubs of culture and connection. Our retail solutions are enhancing the shopping experience, offering greater convenience and flexibility to customers. We are committed to building an inclusive world where everyone can access the benefits of financial services. With reliable technology and ongoing innovation, we are shaping a more convenient and secure financial landscape. These efforts are evident in the increased satisfaction and value that Hyosung brings to everyday life. At Hyosung, we create solutions that genuinely enrich people's everyday experiences. By bridging the real and virtual worlds, we're shaping a future of more meaningful lives and unique opportunities. Global Human Experience Maker. We are Hyosung TNS.